In this video, you'll learn how to connect your email marketing platform to Stan Store. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully integrated your email marketing tools, allowing you to streamline your marketing efforts. Start by navigating to the Stan Store website. Once there, locate the option to log in to your account. Click on the login button and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. If you encounter any issues, ensure that your internet connection is stable. After logging in, you will find yourself on the Stan Store dashboard. Look for the More option, which is typically located on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on More to reveal additional menu options. Next, select Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. This will take you to the Settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your Stan Store account. You should now see several tabs or options related to your account settings. Once on the settings page, find and click on Integrations. This section allows you to connect various third-party tools, including your email marketing platform. After clicking on Integrations, you will see a list of available options. Look for your preferred email marketing platform from the list. This could include popular services like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or Zapier. Once you locate your platform, click on the Connect button next to it. This action will initiate the connection process. After clicking Connect, follow the prompts that appear on your screen to authorize your account. You may need to log in to your email marketing platform or grant specific permissions. Ensure that you complete each step, as this is crucial for a successful integration. Once the authorization process is complete, it should receive a confirmation message indicating that your email marketing platform is now connected to your Stan Store account. This integration will enable you to manage your marketing efforts more efficiently. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.